Utilize the two structural engineering programs from Dlubal Software to analyze and design any timber structures according to North American specifications. Use the structural frame and truss analysis software RSTAB to perform structural and dynamic analysis of your frame structures. Calculate continuous beams, columns, frames, truss or glued laminated members for 2- or 3-dimensional structures. Use RFEM, which offers a wider range of functions to calculate not only members but also surface and solid structures according to the Finite Element Method. Generate your structural systems in the main programs and determine internal forces, support reactions and deformations. The design of the timber cross-sections and timber surfaces is carried out in various add-on modules. The RF Timber AWC and RF Timber CSA add-on modules perform ultimate, serviceability, and fire resistance limit state designs for members and sets of members according to US, American, and Canadian standards. Use the RF Laminate add-on module to carry out stress and deflection analysis of laminate surfaces, such as cross-laminated timber according to the ANSI AWC NDS standard. Design indirect timber connections with RF joints timber steel to timber, including dowels, bolts, screws, or nails according to the ANSI AWC NDS standard.